Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Glorina C. Almodovar,
Mm. And you are what's your nationality?
Philippine,
Yes, okay. What kind of job are you looking for?
or housemaid.
Housemaid. What is your visa situation right now?
Cancel on November 10.
Uh, it will be canceled on November 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after November 10, you can start work immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, in which cities and countries are you willing to work?
In Dubai.
Dubai, only in Dubai?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your last job? What was your last job, Lorena? Or
Housemaid here.
your housemaid? You're
Ras Al
working as a
Khaimah.
housemaid right now. Where are you working?
Ras Al
Where?
Ras Al Khaimah.
Ah, you're
Ras Al
working
Khaimah.
now in Ras Al Khaimah as a housemaid,
Yeah.
right? How many children were there in that family? Do they have children?
Uh, two.
Two children. How old are they? How old are they?
1 year old and 8 years old.
Why do you want to leave this job?
Oh, it's my finished contract.
Ah, you will finish your contract on November 11.
Yeah.
So you're looking for a new
Yes,
employer, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your salary expectation? How much is the
It's
minimum?
1,500.
1,500 is okay with you. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Are you single or married?
Married.
Do you have children?
Ma'am, I have three.
You have three children. Where are they
Ma'am.
now?
In the Philippines.
Who's taking care of your children?
My mother-in-law, but they are married. The two have married already.
Ah, okay. Which activities do you perform with kids? For example,
Um, I think,
what? Reading books, singing songs. What do you
yeah,
usually? Mm-hmm.
reading books, take care them, or take pampers or whatever.
Okay, changing
I give them
nappies.
food.
You feed them
Yeah.
also. Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
No, I tell her I will dance him.
Ah, okay. Okay, you're going to uh, sing to her?
Yeah.
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Just to calm him down. If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do?
Sorry, ma'am.
If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do? Hurt himself. For example,
Hindi ba kita?
you cannot hear me? Hello?
Uh, uh, hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
hello. If one of the children
Yeah.
hurts himself, what will you do?
I tell her not good.
Ah, okay. You have to tell
Yeah.
your madam, or do you have to tell your madam that something happens to her child? Or, for example, the two children are playing,
Yes, I,
and one of them,
yes.
hello,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am. I tell to her mother.
you will, okay, you
Yes.
will inform your madam regarding that.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
As a housekeeper,
Yeah.
which task will you perform every day in the house?
Cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
ironing,
Okay.
cooking,
Yes.
take care baby,
Yes. Okay. Do you know how to
and
cook?
also,
Do you know how to cook?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of food?
Yeah.
What kind of food, darling?
Arabic food.
Arabic
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 food.
foods. Do you also know how to cook Filipino foods? Of course, Filipino
Yes,
foods,
I know,
yes.
ma'am.
What do you prefer? Housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
All around.
Oh, how long do you envision staying in this job?
7 years, ma'am.
7 years. You like to stay with the
Yes.
family for 7 years? It's okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in
Oh,
good health?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance? With pets?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. I agree you.
yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Why should you be hired? Why should you be hired?
Sorry, ma'am.
For example, I'm the employer. Why should I hire you?
Yeah.
Yes.
You need me because
Okay. Because you're
you need me because I'm housemaid.
okay. What kind of a housemaid? Are you good in cleaning? Uh, Good with children or
Yes.
what? Okay, you tell me what. Are you a good cleaner?
Good cleaning.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm,
Good take care baby
okay.
and ironing all around in the
And you
house.
also know how to cook, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What are your hobbies? Your hobbies?
Only
Mhm.
only play internet
Mm,
for my baby.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Glorina, for your time. Please keep your mobile phone on
Thank
with
you.
you as families will contact you.